Welcome to The Explainer. Look, if you've ever listened to a super catchy Korean song, watched a stunning music video, and just wished you knew exactly what they were saying, you are absolutely in the right place. Today, we're taking an easy, really fun, and highly structured first step into understanding the Korean language and culture. We are not just going to sit here and memorize a heavy dictionary. No way. We're going to learn how to truly connect. I know learning a whole new language can feel a bit intimidating at first, but honestly, by using the music and the artists you already know and love, it becomes this incredibly exciting journey. So let's take that first step together. Okay, let's dive right into this. Why are literally millions of people all over the world suddenly learning Korean? Well, the answer lies in a completely new, natural way to grasp a complex language. Instead of just rigidly memorizing vocabulary from some dry, dusty textbook, people are learning through the media and the artists they genuinely love. It's all about passion driving education. When you actually connect with the art, the desire to understand the language comes so incredibly naturally. Think about massive global groups. Take BTS, for instance, who serve as a prime cultural example here. They do so much more than just release music and perform on stage. They maintain this consistent, heartfelt communication with their global fans. And this constant interaction is actively spreading Korean culture worldwide, inspiring a single, really powerful thought in millions of minds. I want to learn Korean. They've helped viewers realize that language is basically the ultimate bridge to feeling closer to their favorite artists. It literally transforms you from a passive observer into an active participant. So let's transition right into our 5 foundational expressions. We are starting with our first and absolutely most important word, 안녕하세요, which translates to hello. This is the most basic fundamental greeting used when you meet someone, whether you're walking into a cozy little cafe in Seoul or greeting a fellow fan at a local meetup. If you say 안녕하세요, they are going to smile and say it right back to start the conversation. It is your everyday starting point. Now let's break it down syllable by syllable. I want you to actually slow down, take a breath, and practice this out loud wherever you're sitting right now. Ready? Step 1, an. Step 2, 냥. Step 3, ha. Step 4, say. Step 5, yo. Let's put it all together slowly. An, 냥, ha, say, yo. Now you try it. Go ahead, say it out loud. 안녕하세요. Very well done. And hey, don't worry if it's not totally perfect on the first try. Just keep practicing. That effort is what really matters. Moving on, our second essential phrase is 감사합니다, which means thank you. Now, what's really interesting here is its immense cultural importance. This isn't just a quick, casual thanks. It is the most polite, respectful way to express your profound gratitude. You see, in Korean culture, showing respect is incredibly important, and using this specific word does exactly that. It instantly communicates that you truly value the other person.
Let's sound this one out together phonetically. Just repeat after me. Number 1, gam. Number 2, sa. Number 3, ham. Number 4, ni. Number 5, da. Let's try it seamlessly now. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. Now it's your turn. Give it a go. 감사합니다. You are doing fantastic. To put this in a real conversational context, if another fan hands you a free photo card at a concert, you wouldn't just grab it and walk away. You'd bow your head slightly and say, 감사합니다. It shows true appreciation.
Our third essential expression is 반갑습니다, meaning nice to meet you. Notice how perfectly this pairs with our very first word, hello. Imagine you've just said hello to a brand new friend. The immediate, natural response in a conversation is to follow up with 반갑습니다, showing genuine joy in meeting them. It just warms up the whole interaction instantly. Let's guide you step by step through this pronunciation. Remember, clear, slow repetition is exactly what builds your speaking confidence. Step 1, ban. Step 2, gap. Step 3, siam. Step 4, ni. Step 5, da. Ban, gap, siamnida. Now your turn, let's hear it. Ban, gap, siamnida. Take your time with it. Honestly, the more you say it out loud, the more natural it's going to feel on your tongue. Next up is just a truly beautiful word, 사랑합니다, which means I love you. This is a deeply heartfelt phrase. In Korea, this is traditionally an expression of deep affection reserved for family or the absolutely most precious people in your life. But of course, in the K-pop world, fans also lovingly use it to express their deep appreciation and care for their favorite artists. It carries a whole lot of emotional weight. Let's practice the pronunciation together. And for this one, really try to say the word with genuine warmth in your voice. 1, sa. 2, rang. 3. Ham. 4. Ni. 5. Da. Sa, rang, ham, ni, da. Now you try. Say it with feeling. 사랑합니다. Beautifully done. In a conversational context, you might shout this toward the stage during a quiet moment in a concert. And if you're really lucky, the artist will look right out at the crowd and say 사랑합니다 right back to you. Our fifth foundational word is 최고입니다, meaning excellent or awesome. Let's connect this one directly to your everyday life and your fandom. Imagine you're watching a breathtaking stage performance. The lights are flashing. The dance routine is absolutely flawless. This is exactly what you would say to praise that incredible effort. Or say your friend shows you a video of them doing a K-pop dance cover. You'd watch it, clap, and immediately tell them 최고입니다, just to tell them they did an awesome job. I want you to enthusiastically guide yourself through this pronunciation so you feel fully empowered to drop this amazing compliment whenever you need to. 1. Choe. 2. Go. 3. Im. 4. Ni. 5. Ga. 최고입니다. Ready? Go for it. 최고입니다. Say it with real energy, because when you mean it, your enthusiasm shines right through the language. Now that we've got our core 5, let's briefly highlight some bonus everyday fan expressions. These are extra daily phrases that both everyday Koreans and K-pop fans use constantly. We have 응원합니다, meaning I support you, 멋지세요, which means cool, 잘했어요, for good job, 화이팅, which means fighting or you can do it, and 축하합니다, meaning congratulations. Definitely keep these in your back pocket. Let's see how all this builds together. We are going to combine what you literally just learned into a real short conversation between two people. Person A says, 안녕하세요. Person B replies right back, 안녕하세요. Then person A says, 반갑습니다. Person B replies, 저도 반갑습니다, adding 저도 to say nice to meet you too. Finally, person A says 감사합니다, and person B replies 전 많아요, which means you're welcome. See how easily you can already start conversing with just a few core blocks? But honestly, mastering these phrases is about so much more than just the music itself. K-pop is simply the starting point. When you learn Korean, you're unlocking a deep understanding of the entire society. You get to truly understand the language, the incredible culture and food, the fashion, the unique etiquette and manners, and most importantly, the warm hearts of the Korean people. Understanding this etiquette, for example, makes you a wonderfully respectful traveler if you ever visit Seoul. The language is your master key to the whole shebang. So the absolutely crucial point here is repetition. Let's do one final rapid-fire pronunciation review of all 5 expressions side by side. I'll say the Korean and you repeat after me. 안녕하세요, that's hello. 감사합니다, that's thank you. 반갑습니다, that's nice to meet you. 사랑합니다, that's I love you. 최고입니다, that's excellent. I'm telling you, if you master these 5 expressions, you have taken a massive, wonderful first step. I want to deeply congratulate you on your amazing progress today. You've done incredible work. Learning a language takes patience, for sure, but you are well on your way. And as a quick preview, in Lesson 2 of our explainer, we are going to be covering the 30 expressions used most by K-pop fans. You definitely won't want to miss that exciting, highly fan-focused vocabulary. I'm going to leave you with this highly motivating question to think about. Are you ready to finally understand your favorite idols without relying on subtitles? Keep practicing these phrases, keep that enthusiasm high, and I will see you in the next